What's up, guys? Welcome back to another unboxing, my fellow shoppers. So today we are showing you guys something that I'm pretty excited. These are adventure meals, and I don't know about you, but if that doesn't sound cool, well, let's go ahead and show you what we get, because I'm excited to get this opened up, my friends. So guys, with them, you can get all types of different meals. You got all kinds. You guys can select what you want. So this feeds one tired, hungry explorer. That looks pretty good. So next generation backcountry meals. Made in Montana in small batches. So this is Backcountry Chili, RightOnTrek. So you guys can pause if you want to read the nutrient factors for this specific one. Tells you how to, prepare it. And then also, we got 70% dark chocolate, which is strong dark chocolate. We got a chili pack. We got hot sauce, corn cakes, and Wisconsin vintage cheddar that we selected. So check it out. This is the dark chocolate. Corn biscuits. We got our cheese, and we got our hot sauce. And I gotta be honest with you guys, there feels like a lot. I mean, this is pretty heavy. It feels like you get a ton. So I'm excited to get trying this. Let's go. Let's go. All right, guys. Now we add 16 ounces of water and we boil it. This is what it looks like inside the pack. Once it's boiling, we add everything except the cheese packet. So the cheese packet does not get added yet. Now we turn it down from a boil and wait 5 minutes and stir occasionally. And while we wait, why not have a little bite? That is delicious cheese. Wisconsin vintage cheddar. Delicious, my friends. Hey guys, we'll also try the corn biscuit. It's not bad. I think I'll dip it in and eat it with the chili. Maybe scoop it up. It's a little different, something to get used to. Never had this before. Ooh, our chili's done. So guys, keep in mind, this is something you guys can do on a campfire. All you need is boiling water. So let's go ahead and test it. Heat's off, now we're gonna mix the cheese. All right guys, I broke up our corn biscuits to put in here and we're gonna mix that up. I think it's gonna taste really good. Guys, you get a lot. Like, I'm not kidding. You could easily split this for 2 people and eat light, but definitely is gonna fill us up. One person, absolutely, you're not gonna go hungry. I'm super impressed, but now let's taste test it. So guys, remember, you can use more water to make it more liquidy. You can use less water to make it more thick. So 16 ounces is what they recommend, but you can do less or you can do more. I did a little bit more. My mouth is like watering, so I'm just trying to wait for it to cool off a little bit here. So, oh man. That is delicious. Oh, that is delicious. It's just so hot. I want to like just inhale this stuff. It is absolutely the flavor. So the spice is very good. Well done. It's a little spicy, got a little kick, but it's not enough that you got to go grab a tissue paper or your nose is not running. Like, it is a perfect bite. That has a lot of flavor. That is impressive. I am super impressed with this company. Wow. That is delicious, my friends. delicious. So I just had to come on here and give a final update. Guys, this is delicious. Don't bother the look. It is seriously some of the... I added the hot sauce, some more crackers, and it's amazing. I absolutely endorse this 1000%.